mamaya nag-aalitan sila. Hindi na natin itutuloy, okay? Kasi you're going out now before John Janet. Diba? I-practice po natin yung courtesy na pag may nagsasalita, hindi po tayo nag-aalitan. Di po ba? So, pabayaan po natin yung minutes na mag-retouch. Meron po yung mga estudyante, this is our affair, this is our celebration of our Israel 2011. So, please stay with us. Hindi lang po ako kapag yung hindi lang po kayo tumadami dito sa Batangas. So, kaya
alam mo, mabigat ka.
So, mga 2011 yan, although wala na po tayo mga body, let us still practice po yung proper discipline. Okay, so let us have that as our reminder. So again po, let me take this privilege to welcome you all to the second leg and one of the highlights of our celebration of Intramural 2011, the search for Miss Intramural 2011. So in behalf of the faculty, our teachers and our supporters, our PCC officers, who are always there to help us. And nakita niyo naman po, napakaganda yung presentation, wala po akong masabi. No? So, in behalf of these people who are all behind 21 School, thank you very much. And we would like to welcome you again. And please enjoy our presentation of our gorgeous students. And enjoy, and again, good afternoon po. Thank you, ma'am, for that very inspiring message. Okay. We would like to acknowledge the presence of our PTA President, Mr. Ernesto Sinulan. Please join us here, sir. Okay. Students from Santimon High School are multi-talented. Our next presentation, let us listen to a very warm presentation as we listen to the golden voice of a student from one state. Let us give a round of applause for Sherry Timburan and Clementina Macapagal. A round of applause.
Ngayon ko lang na-realize na nakakangalay pala. Anong pangalan na? Ano? Yung sinayaw nila. Ay, sinayaw ba nila yun? Wait lang. On the floor? Ay, may sinayaw. Oo. Yung nagpapakita ko. Ewan ko. Go Pilipinas! Graduation na! Graduation na. Graduation na.
voice. Okay, ganun ka-talented ng mga students of Testimony